Hello, welcome to the first episode of Ed Talks, Decoding English Pronunciations. I'm your host Karen, and today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the ED ending in English. Before we get started, let's take a moment to understand the objectives of our series. ED Talks aims to unravel the complexities of pronouncing English words that end with ED. Whether you're a language learner struggling with this aspect of the English language or just curious about the nuances of pronunciation, this series is for you. Now, let's talk about the ED ending itself. In English, this seemingly innocent two-letter combination can be pronounced in three different ways: T, D, and ed. Yes, you heard that right, 3 ways. This is why many learners dread these words coming up in conversation. The first pronunciation is where the ED ending sounds like a T. For example, in words like walked or hoped, the ED is pronounced as a T. The second pronunciation is D, where the ED ending sounds like a D. Think of words like played or cleaned. In these cases, the ED is pronounced as D. And finally, we have the third pronunciation, id. This occurs when the ED ending sounds like id. For instance, in words like wanted or needed, the ED is pronounced as id. Now, let's take a look at some examples in each category to reinforce what we've just discussed. In the T category, we have words like worked, jumped, and kissed. Moving on to the D category, we find words like played, cleaned, and called. And in the id category, we have examples like needed, wanted, and attended. So, there you have it, the 3 main pronunciations of the ED ending. As we journey through this series, we'll explore the rules, exceptions, and even some regional variations that make English pronunciation so intriguing. Stay tuned for more Ed Talks as we delve deeper into the world of English pronunciation. In the next episode, we'll examine the T pronunciation in more detail,